Most men think power looks like this: a loud voice, a room going silent when they walk in, everyone watching. That's not power, that's noise, and noise fades the second you leave the room. Real power is quiet. It's the man who doesn't need the room to notice him. It's the man sitting alone at 2 a.m., working on something nobody's watching, wrapped hands, tired eyes, still going. Not because someone's clapping, because he decided he would. You've seen him before, maybe not in real life, in a story, a film, a fighter walking into the ring nobody expects to win. He's not screaming, he's not performing, he's just still, calm, locked in, and that stillness scares people more than any shout ever could. Here's what almost nobody tells you about power. It's not about what you can control outside of you, it's about what you can control inside of you. The ancient Stoics knew this 2,000 years ago. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the world at the time, an emperor who commanded armies, his private journal wasn't about conquering more land, it was about conquering his own mind. He wrote that a man's worth is measured by what he can control, and the only thing you fully control is your own response. Not people, not outcomes, not what others think of you, just your response. Let's get into the science behind this, because this isn't just old philosophy. Your brain is built for this exact battle. When something triggers you, someone disrespects you, ignores you, doubts you, your amygdala fires first. That's the primitive alarm system in your brain, and it wants you to react instantly, snap back, prove yourself, defend your ego. But here's the part that separates weak men from powerful ones. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logic and self-control, can override that alarm, but only if you give it time. Every time you pause before reacting, you're literally strengthening the neural pathway that builds self-mastery. Every time you react instantly, you're training your brain to stay impulsive. Power is a habit you build one pause at a time. So let's talk about how you actually become this man, not the version who just watches motivational content and feels inspired for 20 minutes, the version who changes. Step 1. Stop reacting, start responding. The next time someone tries to provoke you, disrespect you, test you, don't give them the reaction they're fishing for. Silence is the loudest response you own. A powerful man doesn't explain himself to people trying to provoke him. He just watches. Let them wonder what you're thinking. That uncertainty is power. Step 2. Stop seeking validation. This is the one that breaks most guys. You post something, you wait for the likes. You make a decision, you wait for approval. Every time you need someone else's opinion to feel good about your own choice, you're handing them your power. A powerful man makes the decision first and lets the world catch up later. He doesn't need permission to believe in himself. Step 3. Build your body like you build your mind. This isn't about looking good for other people. It's about proving something to yourself every single day. When you wake up and do the hard thing, the workout you didn't feel like doing, the cold shower, the discipline nobody sees, you're sending your own brain a message: I keep my word to myself. That message compounds. Confidence isn't something you fake, it's something you earn in private, rep by rep, day by day, until your body believes what your mouth used to just say. Step 4. Detach from outcomes. This is the one almost nobody talks about, and it's the real secret behind every calm, powerful man you've ever admired. He's not attached to whether people like him. He's not attached to whether he wins every argument. He's not even attached to whether things go his way. He does the work, he makes the move, and then he lets go. Because attachment is what makes you desperate, and desperation is the opposite of power. The man who doesn't need the outcome is the man who usually gets it.
Step 5. Build something in silence. Stop announcing your goals before you've done the work. Every time you tell people what you're going to do, your brain releases a small hit of dopamine, like you've already achieved it, and that satisfaction actually kills your drive to finish it. The powerful move is to disappear. Work in silence. Let your results speak when you're done, not your words before you start. Here's the truth this entire video is built on. Power was never about being the loudest man in the room. It was never about intimidation, ego, or being feared. Power is self-control. It's the calm behind the eyes of a man who has nothing left to prove to anyone because he's already proven it to himself. The world is full of men performing power and starving for control. Don't be one of them. Sit with the silence. Do the work nobody sees. Respond, don't react. And one day, you won't have to convince anyone that you are powerful. They'll just feel it the second you walk into the room. If this hit you, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, because this channel is built for men who are done talking about change and ready to actually become it. I'll see you in the next one.